Hi everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholique, and I have a super quick tip for you. So when you're doing your loom work and you cut it off the loom and you're ready to tie off your threads, which you have right here, so this is where I'm at with my loom piece, my quick tip is to find a piece of dark colored paper and slip it under your piece. Now watch what happens. So we've got those white threads right there, and they're very thin and they can be really hard to see. It can be difficult to tie them off sometimes. But when you slip the piece of paper under them, suddenly it's so much easier to separate them out, see where they're at, and be able to grab them and tie your little knots easily. So that's my quick tip. It's a super fast one, but I know sometimes it can be a bit daunting when you need to tie off your loom work and make all those little knots. So let me show you the difference again real quick. There it is without the paper, and there it is with the paper. So much easier to see your threads, see where they're at, and be able to tie them off easily. If you'd like more videos about creating loom jewelry pieces, please do check out beadaholique.com, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we do often have new videos all the time.